Don't be snatching from
What you
me,
want,
boy.
bro? What you want? What you want?
Eat the dope.
You want some food, bro?
Shy.
Ain't Shay.
You know, man, we got another adventure today, man. We going to the animal safari as well.
Sally, South Carolina, y'all. We're going to Eudora Farm. A big animal safari.
You can drive through it, and then we're gonna have a little walk through. So y'all stay tuned till we get there. Yo, we made it, man.
Y'all, we driving down a long dirt road.
I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, man. We here though.
We made it, we made it, we made it. Long dirt road. It was longer than this.
Let's go.
And we have entered. Let me go this way. Please stop here to pay. Where the ticket, baby?
Back, huh?
Ooh. Look, he coming, he coming.
Yes,
He coming. See the babe. Dang, they blocking the drive-through. Oh shit. Oh.
She right.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you hurt, bro. You plucked me on like that.
Oh, you breathing so hard. Don't stop it here.
Hey, that nigga's pet, though. I ain't gonna count.
Yo, hold on. Huh, little. What are you? To a bison?
But you ain't got
I
no
think you're a
arrow.
bison.
Bro. You trying?
Oh, you can turn it back on. I
Look,
think
look,
you're a
look, look.
bison. Ugh.
He pulled up.
Here you go.
Here you go, my boy.
How you want to
Ew. Look there.
Here you go. You breathing all hard.
Good food.
Breath.
Oh, no.
Stick your head in the window.
Oh.
Yuck.
All right, he's gonna move on.
He slop on me. Okay, baby, we gotta go. You gotta see doing on the car.
You gotta go that way.
He took it in with. He took it in left. Okay, take it and go. Take it and go. Take it and go.
Look. I'm gonna stick your little head up here, bro.
Oh, you take it in. Take it and leave. Bye bye. You want more? Okay, here you go. Hey now, hey. Yucky.
Oh, they
They
fight.
fighting? They better not knock my car.
My fault then, bro.
Damn, why they surrounded? I can't move. Okay, here you go. Hey now, hey. Nice safari. Yucky. Miles per hour. Shit, so dead. Oh, look at the deers.
Those are not deers.
Those are
man.
deers.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
You gotta know your animal, bro. Look how he.
What is he doing? Ew. Them gazelles.
Mm-hmm.
And baby gazelles. The name of the movie? But he still look like him.
Oh, he eating that shit. Fine, man.
Okay, bye-bye. They gonna feed you next. Don't be snatching from
What
me,
you want,
boy.
bro? What you want? What you want?
Eat the dope.
You want some food, bro?
Huh?
Please
Gotta go get
sit.
I
straight.
got you, bro.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Ooh-wee. Look at his teeth. Look at his teeth. Look. Ooh.
Donkey.
Now listening to AM 1050.
We ain't asked for that, Siri. Donkey. You don't want my food? Oh, you bougie. You gonna eat it real slow. You a bougie donkey. I like your donkey. My donkey bougie. Oh, now you want some more. Here you go. There you go. Oh, here go the ostrich. I gotta close my window, donkey. I gotta close my window now.
Alright, my boy. You know what this means?
You better close it.
You know what this means,
Here go
bro?
the ostrich.
Yeah,
Oh, no,
you
he ain't no ostrich. He a, that ain't an ostrich. He a, what you call
He
it?
look happy.
What he is. Hi. Ew.
What my window.
What a,
You can run up on me.
hey.
Ooh, he pushed up.
Okay. Here you go. You can just eat it like.
Let's give it to him in the
like
bowl.
I'm trying to toss it in it.
Oh man, we can't feed y'all. You gotta put it in your hand
There
though,
you go.
like this.
He don't get it that way.
You gotta put it on
Okay,
the ground
bye-bye.
for him, man.
Zebra got a big butt. Look like the ones on Madagascar. I'm not feeding you out my hand. I throw it on the ground.
I'm gonna say you need bowls for the other babies then. Eating all that.
Oh, don't get yourself hit now.
Sorry, my boy.
You can't feed y'all. See you there. You look like you bite.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hell no. That's from the square. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh, you talk back to me. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, speak.
Yeah, you hear him? He said hi. Hi. It was him, the blue and yellow one. Hi. He ain't gonna see it now.
You supposed to be guarding the door.
He said hi. Oh, kangaroo. Oh, he under it.
Yeah, they ain't about to have us low.
Hmm.
They ain't about to have us low.
I don't know. You know what's cute? They're cute. Hey. He old. You want some food? Here you go. Kangaroo Jack. Here you go. Oh, it's another one in there. you go. Tail.
Heavy tail.
Tail like it'll whack the mess out of you.
They leap on their tails though.
Huh?
They be sitting on their tails.
Oh, I gotta get rid of my food now. For smoke. There you go. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, he eating. Yeah, look. It's big
What that
clean.
is? Shit look like dog food. Hey. Here you go.
Now he come out that way.
He's so slow. There's a water bowl like a toilet.
He's still eating.
Yes, they eat slow. There you go.
At the end of our trail.
Y'all, I'm feeding the kangaroos. He got like 2 teeth at the top. He dropped it. He's so cute.
Coming this way.
Their tails already strong.
Yeah, man, that was the wildlife safari in Sally, South Carolina.
It's called Eudora Farms. I think y'all should check it out. Like, if you're in South Carolina area, I think y'all should check it out. It's really, really nice. Yeah, they had my hands so sticky, y'all. We had to wash our hands afterwards. Our hands were so sticky and like kind of dirty.
Yeah, man, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. We're gonna be coming back with a lot more videos,
How do I get out
a lot
of
more
here?
content. Yeah, we're gonna come back to y'all with a lot more videos, man. Coming soon. Catch y'all.
Bye bye.
Shy.